If you are wondering if we have AI camera on the Motorola Edge 70 Fusion, then the answer is partially yes. So if we open the camera, we should be able to find a couple of different AI tools, or at least they are considered to be AI by Motorola. For example, here in the photo mode, we should be able to tap on the stars, and here we have the option to choose the natural color style, or we can choose the signature style, which is apparently using AI in order to create your own personalized signature style. We can of course customize it, we can provide some samples in here, and then based on that, AI can learn your visual preferences, and then that preference can be applied onto your photos that you take with the camera. So that is one thing. Another thing that I found is actually in camera settings. In here we should be able to find AI audio for videos. So this apparently allows you to amplify audio in the zoomed area of the viewfinder. So if you zoom in while trying to record a video, apparently you can use the audio zoom as well. So technically you should be able to hear what is going on that zoomed in area slightly better. I'm not sure if that's really working properly, but hey, we have an AI feature, I guess. So this is pretty much everything that I found that is somewhat related to AI. You might be able to find a couple of more options here and there, but personally I couldn't find anything more than that. Whether the Motorola actually uses AI to enhance quality of photos and videos, I'm not entirely sure. I don't really think so. It is possible that, for example, if you use a little bit of zoom, then maybe AI is used to slightly enhance the quality of the zoom, but I'm not entirely sure. I really couldn't tell. So that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.